Hey, I'm Doodle Dog, and this is my drawing show where we draw cool stuff together. On today's episode, we're going to draw a cute peppermint candy. So, grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle! Okay, we're going to start right about here on the page and we're going to draw a big circle for the outside shape of the peppermint candy. Take your time now, you can always pause the video for more time. Try to make it the best circle you can. But there's no mistakes, only doodles. So don't worry. Remember, practice makes progress. And then back where we started. Smooth it out a little bit there. Okay, now on either side we're going to do the candy wrapper. They twist the candy in a plastic wrapper, and these are the twists at the end. So starting right about here, we're going to do a big curved line up like this, and back around, and we'll stop. And then we'll do another curved line like this, and another one like this, and then we'll do a hooking one back up to the side of the peppermint, like this. And let's do the same on the other side. So starting right here, we're going to do a curved line up and hook it back around and stop. And then kind of a curved line like this, and a curved line like that, and one final one that goes back and connects to the side of the candy. Okay, now let's do some wrapper lines where it's twisted. So we'll do a line here like that, and then maybe we'll do a loopy line like this, loops back around, another curved line, do like a loopy line here, so it looks like it's all twisted up on the sides. And let's do the same on the other side. I'll do one up like this, and then a loop one, curved one, and a loop one, and a curved one. Okay, now let's put a face on this peppermint. We're going to do two eyes and a mouth. So starting right here, we're going to do a circle right here for one of the eyes. Like that. Let's do one over here. Like that. And now let's do a smaller circle inside on both sides for the highlight of the eye. And we'll do one more highlight. We'll do an even smaller circle like that. And now let's color it in black. Okay, now we're going to do a smiley face right in the middle here. So just a curved line up like that. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab some markers, crayons, or colored pencils, and let's go. So we want to make the swirls red, so we're going to make these sort of curved shapes and color them in. So you make them pointy in the middle, and then they kind of curve out, kind of like a curved triangle. And now get a light blue. Remember to always sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video. Ask your parents to like and subscribe.